In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll be able to place a calendar right inside a Loop page so your team can track dates and milestones without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Loop page listed as the collaborative app for Microsoft 365. Click through to reach the product site. On that page, select Get Started with Loop. You'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account, or you can create one if you haven't yet. Using the same account you rely on for work or school is a good idea so your content stays connected to your existing Microsoft 365 apps. After you sign in, you'll arrive at the Loop home screen. Here you can create a new workspace or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, choose Create New Workspace and give it a clear name that reflects your project or team. Inside the workspace, either make a new page or open an existing page where you want the calendar to live. Keeping related content together in one workspace helps everyone find what they need faster. At the top of the page, add a descriptive title. This helps your teammates instantly understand the page's purpose when they browse or search later. Now let's add the calendar. Place your cursor on a new line in the page. Click the plus icon that appears, which opens the component picker. This menu shows Loop components you can insert into the page. If you prefer a quicker route, type a / followed by the word calendar. The / command filters the list and jumps you straight to the calendar option. When you see calendar, click it. The calendar component will drop into your page at the cursor. From here, you're ready to track dates alongside your notes, tasks, and decisions. If calendar doesn't appear at first, make sure your cursor is in the main page body and that the component picker is open, then try typing the / command again. That's it. You searched for Microsoft Loop, opened the official page, clicked Get Started, signed in, opened or created a workspace and page, added a clear title, and inserted the calendar component using the plus menu or the / shortcut. With your calendar now in place, your team can stay on the same page about schedules right inside Microsoft Loop.